What up, guys? It's High Dreams here, or Hoser Sama, whatever you want to call me. But today I'm back with another video. I'm about to go look at this one place called Secret Sidewalk. It looks pretty cool, like a lot of weird shit, but it should be nice. There's like a nice little dark tunnel over there. Hopefully we find some albinos over there or some shit. Nah, I'm just kidding, but hopefully we find something. If not, it's just gonna be another friendly, nice video. So if you guys can, just drop a like, subscribe, and just so you guys see right here, it's 50 minutes and there's a lot of photos around here. 38 miles, so you guys better drop a like, and I'll see you guys over there. Right now to Secret Sidewalk, literally like 3 minutes away, but as you can see, it looks kind of weird over here. Hopefully we're about to see what's up, so I'll be back right when you see. Alright guys, so we found the place, but my dumbass drove past it, so now I gotta drive all the way back, and it's just like a single road through the mountains and shit, so we'll get there shortly. But around here, as you can see, it's hella nice and shit, but we'll be there soon. Because my goofy ass can't find the road. Cowboys. It's not even Christmas anymore. Oh, this day?
Yeah.
Oh.
See?
Oh yeah, see it, huh? Yeah, that's sick, yeah. What is up, guys? We're back here at Secret Sidewalk. As you can see, there's a Secret Sidewalk right there, and we're basically just gonna explore this bridge. And as you can see, there's somebody missing right there, so hopefully nothing like that happens to us, but we'll see. I ain't scared, but we'll go right now. Alright guys, so we're going on the Secret Sidewalk right here. Hopefully it's full of creepy shit, but you know, I don't know what's gonna happen. But yeah, it looks kind of tagged up like all the other places I've been. By the way, guys, I brought my secret flashlight just in case. I gotta get in the dark, you know. But I think there's like a tunnel over there. I believe it's like a train or some shit. So we're gonna go inside. Hopefully we don't get hit by a train, but if we do, drop RIP in the comment section, please. And make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe. I need more subscribers. I only got 21. But I'm trying to have at least 100K by this year. At least. We're pulling up. We're gonna find a dead body. Shit. Can't hop on. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm on top of this railroad, or train track, whatever you want to call it. Oh shit. What's happening over there? I thought somebody almost hit my car. Alright, let's go. We're about to go down this bridge. looks like it's the place to get drunk, apparently. It's the place to get drunk and tag everywhere. Oh yeah. Fuck crew. I'm trying to join. Yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of bullshit spray. And damn. I think that's trying to say Los Santos Customs. I think that's what it's saying right there. Los Santos Customs from GTA. It's not even that much of a tunnel. Look at that. Shall I run the whole thing? You think I can make it if I run the whole thing?
Mm-hmm.
Guys, I'm over here on the train tracks over here, secret sidewalk. So it wasn't much of a secret. I mean, there's just a gate right there, so it's not really much of a secret. I don't know why they call it secret sidewalk, but as you can see, there's a whole lot of tagging over here of Bugs Bunny. And over there, and this is the train track that goes over there. Somebody spray painted Los Santos Customs right here. I guess somebody plays a lot of GTA. But I think we might go through this tunnel, see what it's all about. I mean, the Elsa right there, look at that right there. And we're probably just gonna... Huh?
Está en yellow. We on train?
One train over there?
It's the light is still yellow. It's blue. Or what does that mean?
I don't know. I think yellow light means the train's incoming. I think we're about to get hit by a train. I'm kind of scared, guys. I don't know what to do. Should I go over there? Risk my life for this YouTube video? I hope YouTube pays for my neck injuries and shit, but I doubt it. I only got 21 subscribers, so it's not gonna happen. I think I might run through there. We decided to go through here. There's a yellow light over there. I don't know what that means, but we're gonna go through this bitch fast because I think somebody might be trying to break into my car. But we won't know until we get back over there. Holy shit. What the fuck? I ain't never been at this tunnel before. Shit, I'm getting scared. I feel like a train's coming. Go, hurry up. You guys better fucking like this video, subscribe, because we might fucking die. Alright guys, I got a flashlight. But this is fucking creepy. I don't know how we're gonna get back over there. What's up, babe? When you're stepping. Alright, we're almost there. We're over here running and shit. I'm over here playing Subway Surfers. We made it. Whew. Damn. All the way through. Without any harm. Danger. Sheesh. Look at that. That's a dragon or some shit. A Pokemon. I think we could go. I think we could go around this way. What the fuck? That's crazy, guys. Oh, we just went through that. It's kind of breathtaking. I didn't want to get hit by a train, but shit, it was nice in there. It was different. I never been inside a tunnel like that. Been inside a cave, but that shit was like bullshit. Whew. Out of breath. I gotta stop smoking. Fucking yeah. Anyways, guys, we're still here. Secret sidewalk, whatever you want to call it. And I'll pick up the video right now. Some type of river or sewer right there. I think that's a river. Yeah, that's a river right there. Watch, if I get back and my car's broken into, I'm gonna be fucking mad. Look at those clouds. Alright guys, so we just made it. I guess that's the end of the secret sidewalk. It wasn't too much of a video, but it was fun. It looked nice inside. But I'm not sure I'm gonna cut the video yet. I'll probably keep it going, see somewhere else, just because there wasn't really much to see here. I thought there would be some shit that would pop off, but nothing popped off, so hey, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, like always. But my fucking vehicle made it out safely. Because earlier there was like, right when I parked there, some shady guy with a cracked window. His windows were broken, so I thought he was gonna break into my car. But she's curling.